Hello,
So how do you know your watch is truly waterproof?
What?
Okay, well, I'll tell you right now. When we service and assemble our watches, we do it with the pros. We make sure there's not a speck of dust. That's number one. The second thing is we lubricate all of our timepieces to make sure you get the proper seal and you don't strip the threading. So when you're purchasing one of these older day dates from someone else, you might not have this proper service and you might not have that proper fitting,
Oh my God,
which will keep your watch completely waterproof. So watch out. Don't throw your watches in the water. But then the final step is this machine right here. The Proofmaster S by Witchy tests your watch in a vacuum and under pressure. Okay, so we put the timepiece in, and then we see that it's perfectly sealed when we draw the air out, and then under pressure we pass that test as well,
Oh my
knowing that we
God.
can throw this watch in water and not a drop will get in. That's how you professionally service your timepiece. We even print out the report and put it under our timepiece for sale in our shop.